Here is what we know so far about the death of a Hollywood legend known for such films as The French Connection and The Conversation. How were the deaths discovered? The bodies of the couple and one of their dogs were found by police on Wednesday at their home in Santa Fe in the state of New Mexico after a maintenance worker called emergency services. A recording of the 911 call obtained by the BBC shows the emotional caller telling a dispatcher how he found the two bodies. Hackman, 95, was discovered in a side room near the kitchen, while Arakawa, 65, was found in a bathroom at the property on Old Sunset Trail in Hyde Park. The couple appeared to have been dead for quite a while, said Sheriff Aidan Mendoza. Arakawa's body showed signs of decomposition and mummification in the hands and feet, a sheriff's detective said. Hackman's remains showed obvious signs of death, similar and consistent with those on his spouse. A German Shepherd dog owned by the couple was found dead in a bathroom closet near to Arakawa. No cause was given in police statements immediately after the announcement of the deaths. The authorities reported no signs of injury, but deemed the deaths suspicious enough to investigate and did not rule out foul play. Near Arakawa's head was a portable heater, which the detective determined could have been brought down in the event that she had abruptly fallen to the ground. Carbon monoxide and toxicology tests have been requested for both Hackman and Arakawa. The local utility company found no sign of a gas leak in the area, and the fire department detected no indication of a carbon monoxide leak or poisoning. According to the search warrant, the warrant suggests police may have a working theory that some kind of gas poisoning happened, but that they do not know yet and are not ruling anything out. Loyola Marymount University law professor Lori Levinson was quoted as saying by the Associated Press, "A prescription bottle and scattered pills lay on the bathroom countertop close to Arakawa's body." Hackman was discovered wearing gray tracksuit bottoms, a blue long-sleeve t-shirt and brown slippers. Sunglasses and a walking cane lay next to his body. The detective suspected that the actor had suffered a sudden fall